Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering documents and logging into the official portal. This is where you act. Once signed in, choose the Caste certificate update option and select Apply to open the form. You'll upload scanned ID, address proof, and any previous certificate. Make sure file sizes match portal limits. Enter your Aadhaar-linked mobile for OTP verification and save the temporary application number. This gets you past the gate. Next, we fill details and attach supporting proofs carefully. Now you complete the detailed form. Type names, dates, and parental details exactly as on your ID to avoid mismatches. Once done, upload scanned proofs, affidavits, parents' caste proof, and any community verification letter. Label files clearly. Use the portal's preview to inspect every field and attachment. Discrepancies cause rejections. Then submit supporting fee payment if required and confirm the submission. Save or screenshot the application reference. This helps track the process and respond to queries. Finish by checking your application status regularly. Once an officer reviews, you may get a verification notice or a request for more documents. If called for in-person verification, carry originals in the order listed and arrive on time. When approved, download the updated certificate and keep both digital and printed copies. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the exact fields indicated, reupload the corrected documents, and resubmit promptly to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.